Agentic AI represents a significant evolution in artificial intelligence, moving beyond simply responding to commands to effectively achieve tasks through autonomous learning, decision-making, and action. This advanced system can take high-level goals, plan the necessary steps, and execute them with minimal human supervision. It consists of AI agents, which are essentially machine learning models that mimic human reasoning. And these agents work together in a coordinated system to tackle complex problems in real time. Agentic AI allows for automating intricate workflows to achieve goals with minimal human intervention. However, adding more agents doesn't produce the teamwork to solve complex problems. Without coordination, it's chaos. Tasks overlap, work gets duplicated, some agents fail, and others sit idle. That's why it requires a supervisor, a dedicated AI unit that plans the work, assigns tasks, monitors progress, and steps in when something goes wrong. This AI orchestration is the architectural layer that drives dynamic workflows, where the output of one agent serves as the precise input for another. This creates a cohesive, autonomous pipeline capable of executing long-horizon goals, allowing individual signals to come together to form a symphony, rather than just noise. Now, let's understand how an AI agent processes a task. When a task is delegated, it initiates a cognitive cycle that begins with perception, identifying patterns to establish a data-driven context. This flows into the reasoning phase, where the agent weighs trade-offs and formulates a logical strategy. That strategy is then translated into action, where the agent interacts with its surroundings to execute the plan. Finally, the agent learns from the outcome, creating a feedback loop that refines its internal models for every subsequent cycle. So, where does this lead us? It brings us to a fundamental shift before our eyes, turning vision into reality with agentic AI.